Hey guys, okay, so this is the thing. I was gonna start this series on me eating healthier, right? Right, okay, I get it. But listen, before I do that, there's one thing that I need to do first. I need to make chocolate chip cookies. Everyone that is trying to eat healthier and live just a better lifestyle, I see you, I feel you, I hear you. Let's just have that one last little indulgence. I haven't made cookies in a very long time, so we're gonna do it. But instead of using regular brown sugar, I use Splenda brown sugar. If you're gonna sit here and you're gonna tell me that it doesn't taste the same, that's a fucking lie. Everybody that I make cookies for will fucking tell you the same. So, let's get started. Got my butter. Please hold. What am I doing? Flour. So what we'll do first is we're going to put all of our dry ingredients in one, and then we're going to whisk together our wet ingredients, and then you combine them. I'm gonna have cups of flour. You can't even see what I'm doing, but whatever, you're here for it, right? You'll see the end result, I swear, it's good. 1 tablespoon of baking soda or baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, wet ingredients go together. The wet ingredients, we're gonna put a stick of unsalted butter or 8 tablespoons for you smart math people out there. 2 cups of my Splenda brown sugar, 2 eggs, and then some vanilla extract. If you want to get real fancy, you could use vanilla beans, but I ain't that fancy. Okay, so now that I have that all in my mixing bowl, I'm going to go and put it in my KitchenAid, mix this up, and then we'll slowly add this the soft ingredients in there. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Okay. So blend all that shit together. Eat some. Get your cookie sheet out. Parchment paper. Ooh, it's fancy. Made in France. And we're just going to drop these balls right here on this fucking cookie sheet. Honestly though, like after I started making my own cookies, I was like, why the fuck do people even buy cookie dough? You guys wanna see what I'm doing? If you don't use it all, what I like to do is just roll it up in some parchment paper and then I keep it in the fridge. I'm not gonna eat all of these cookies tonight. I know, I'm weird, okay? What I could do is eat all of this. What I'm not going to do is eat all of this. But look, Your girl wants to get her figure right because I'm just not feeling myself lately. I'm gonna make these cookies because I haven't made them in a long time, and I'm gonna enjoy them, and no one's gonna fucking judge me for it.
A few minutes later.
So my cookies are done.
You want me to try the cookie?
Yes.
Woo.
It's kind of hot. What do you think?
It's good.
He steals more. So,
No, I need actually.
milk.
Yeah. What you got cooking? How's about making some cookies up for me?
All
Oh
right.
yeah, there it is.
Okay. There it is, guys. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I love you all so much, and